Hello, it's Muna. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Canva, something similar to this one right here. It's very simple, so let's get into it. Okay, so here on Canva, you click on the page that you want to edit. That way you can bring up the side panel right here. And once that panel comes up, if you already have it, what you'll do is bring up this dynamic QR application right here. You see dynamic QR code. If you already have it, you'll click on that. But if you don't have it yet, what you'll do is you will go to apps here with the plus sign and the three boxes, type dynamic QR. You can use any QR application. It's just I like this one that looks just like this one right here. I like the look of this one, so that's why I'm going to use a dynamic QR. On Canva Pro, it is free. I'm just not sure if it's free if you don't have Canva Pro, but it is free if you have Canva Pro. So dynamic QR code, it's this blue one right here. Okay, click on that. I already have it. So what I like about this one is it gives you options of, it shows you how it's going to look like. Some of them don't show you already, so you can click the different design that you want. And that's really awesome if they have different designs. The one that I use for this one specifically is this one right here next to the Scan Me one. Click on that. And what you want to do is already have, you can go ahead and, let's see, copy the link that you want the QR code to go to. And if you know what a QR code is, a QR code is just exactly what this looks like, this right here. And when you point your phone camera at it, it'll bring up a link for you to click on. That way you don't have to type in the link. That's what the point of a QR code is, especially if it's a link that has a very long number of characters. So something like this, see how long that is? It's good to have a QR code for it. Okay, so what you do is you paste the link that you want the QR code to open up when you scan it with your camera. And then an option that you have, how I got this logo of the Facebook and her website and Instagram, you click on choose file. When you choose file, this is something you already want to have downloaded on your computer, is an image of the file that you want to show up. So I click on this F1. When I downloaded it, I basically just went online and searched for Facebook logo, and I found one that is a PNG file without the background. So that's what this one is. Open up right there. So when I click on that, it saves it here. And the good thing is it shows you, it gives you a preview of what it looks like right up here. So you see now that Facebook logo is in there. All right. And that's what I did to the extent of it. So I click just add to design. What else you can do? So let's see, click add to design, right? Let's just see how that looks like. See, that's what it looks like. And before you click out, what you can do, you can also edit it, make some more changes. So that's what I did for what I had. But to edit it, you can make different changes. So let's say, for example, change this thing to red. If you change the eye color to red, that changes things like these corners. Those are the eye colors. Okay. And then the pattern color, if you want to change that, let's say yellow, so we can see what the pattern color looks like. That's the pattern. Change it to yellow. And if you want to change the frame color, let's choose blue for that. That's the frame around. So you see the different colors. These are the things that you can change to customize it. And yeah, that's honestly basically as easy as it can get to create a QR code. So let's say green. This is going to be a super colorful edit, but yeah, green. And so I guess whenever you click add to design, it adds that design into Canva. And now when I make into the picture, so when I make these changes will add a new QR code onto the picture. It doesn't change the one that you already added. So that is as simple as it is, adding a QR code. And you can add any link. Just make sure, say if you want to put a picture on it, you don't have to use add a picture, a logo or anything. But if you do want to add a picture or a logo, make sure that that logo matches the link that it's taking you to. So the reason why I chose the Facebook logo, because it's taken, the link is to the Facebook page. But I have the M here because this link is going to the website. And I have the Instagram here because it's going to the Instagram. Now, for some reason, I actually don't have the Facebook on that one. I don't think I actually did that right. So I'm going to fix that. But yeah, it is all set, all done. That's how you do it. And hold up. A little, let's, I wonder why it's not showing the link when I click on those, like the way it's showing on the link is showing up here. So let me oh, you know what? Because okay, the reason why, so this, the QR code still works. So let me show you that it still works. The reason why the link is showing up for these one is because I actually did an extra addition to it by adding a link. So what you can add a link to the picture. The reason why I did that because I wanted people to be able to see if you send them the picture as a PDF, they'll be able to, if you print this out as a PDF, they'll be able to click on the image and go to the link. And also, it's an addition. So you see here, I have the camera app open. And then when I scan, it opens up to the Facebook page. So it does work for the QR, but the reason why the link here is showing up is because it's not the link for the QR. This is just a link that I added to the picture of the QR. So the way I did that is I right click, click link, and just go ahead and paste that same link, and done. Now you see the link is showing up. So this is not necessary at all. The QR will still work if you don't do that. It's just extra, but these are the instructions for creating QR codes. So for this one, let's just revise it. We open up the app, the QR, dynamic QR, that's the app that we're using. So dynamic QR codes, and you choose the design that you want. Once you click on your design, you add your link, and that is the minimum that you need, and it's going to look good, it's going to work. But if you want to be extra, change up your colors. And then this dynamic part here, this is just something extra if you do want to, the dynamic part of it is if you do want it to do things like you don't want the codes to expire or to track analytics as far as like when people open it and other things like that. You can sign up and log in and things like that to do that, but we're just going to leave it at that for now. And that is a tutorial. Okay, hopefully that was nice and easy for you to follow. If you have any questions, just go ahead and let me know, and I will be more than glad to answer and help you out. Peace.